So just how sharp do your tools need to be? Sharp enough to cut the tension of a steamy scene in a film you're watching with your parents. Sharp enough to cut to the point already. Sharp enough that if they walked into a fairly fancy, moderately exclusive party with your ex on their arm, you would have no choice but to stomp across the luxury vinyl tile right up to their face and say, "How dare you?" You walk into this fairly fancy, moderately exclusive party with my, until somewhat recently, better half on your arm, knowing full well that I, the lesser of the two halves, would concurrently be in attendance. You make me sick. But damn it if I don't respect the hell out of you. Respect the hell out of you because I know that you can give this luminous being the life they truly deserve that I never could give them because of your sharpness. Farewell. Or sharp enough to leave the right surface on the work. Thanks for watching.